Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. Join my Discord. It's there. So I actually identified this trading opportunity yesterday, and I was talking about it on the Discord. It's new, and I need to add some stuff to it, all that mess. But hey, join it, say hi, and that's where I collect some information on projects. That's where I go to collect information on different projects that I'm watching. So anyway, well, in my last video, I identified I was on the lower time frame, and I was talking about the super fear in the market. And I just flipped down to the lower time frame and identified this trading opportunity here. The market was we were about we were about right here in the market, maybe a little bit lower. And I said it was probably a good short-term buying opportunity. Well, short-term buying opportunities turn into long-time buying opportunities, and I'm treating where we're at right now as the bottom. So um, this is what I'm looking at now. The market can always do the market does what the market does, but personally, I don't buy every dip. I'm not a every dip buyer. But we've broken out of our relative strength here. We've come back, we've touched it, we're moving back up, and I'm looking at another break from our relative strength here. Okay, so in this descending channel, we broke out. I'm looking for that next break out. Now I think we're gonna probably break out and have another dip again because that's the way the market does. So I'm looking for something like let's see, let's not get that. Looking at something like this, right? Break out on relative strength. Probably not that high. We probably won't go that high on a relative strength. Probably be lower than that. Okay. Something like that is what I'm anticipating. The market can do anything, but this is what I'm anticipating. We might stop around this 46 area. We might not move this high. We might move this high 48 or so. Between 40 and 6, 48 is where I'm looking at. But right now I'm just buying the stuff that I watch Bitcoin to see how to trade the rest of the pairs. Okay. And so I'm stocking up on things like Cardano right now because I think we're at the bottom, and it's Cardano is something I don't mind being in the negative on because I plan on holding it anyway, and also you can stake it. So that's where I'm at right now. Um, let's look at the higher time frames. I know I've gone over this. I go over this in most of my videos because uh, this is the way I trade. But we are at the we are at the bottom of this descending channel here. We've come down, and I've been waiting for this bounce, and it really wasn't looking at it, but there was an awful lot of fear in the market in the last video, if you watch that. But it looks like we might get our bounce off of here. So our target is from this bottom ascending channel in our relative strength to the from the top of our ascending channel in relative strength to the bottom of the descending one here. I'm anticipating something like this. I don't think that we're going to break on this next up. We might make a higher high. To be honest with you, I would almost prefer us not to. And then we'll come back down, and we might not make it back down to this ascending channel again, because we might just go ahead and break it. But what I'm waiting for is a break of this descending channel here. So this line going down here, I'm waiting for that on the relative strength, and then we might even do like we just did on the lower time frame. We might break it and come out and bounce on it a little bit, right? And have a bunch of fear down here, and then pump to the upside. So, but this is what I've been talking about. This is what I've been anticipating for months now, because these are yearly trades here. These are yearly moves. On the monthly chart, go over it again. Monthly chart, I want to see this turn around. We're right at the the top of our ascending channel here. We want to move off of this channel. We're starting to see a little turnaround, which is nice. You know, probably have a bounce down from that weekly relative strength line coming down, and then move on up. This is going to be my selling position there. That's where I'm selling at. It doesn't even look. It doesn't matter if the market looks like it's going to go to, you know, all the way to 20 million. This is where I'm selling at. Okay, and it might go higher. It might go. It might go to 20 million. This is where I'm selling at. So looking something like this, right? Something like that. Okay. Um, Eventually, this ascending channel and a relative strength will break. We we might come back down and we might have a little bounce and then move down. This could even be a higher high. You know, it could be like that. Sometimes it does one of those, right? Even a higher high. Another push to the top. Sometimes that's a real nice push. But what I'm gonna I might buy a bounce on this here, but this next time I'm going to watch it very careful. There's no guarantee it's going to go back to. There's no guarantee anything. So anyway, okay. I'm just telling you what I'm looking at. So anyway, but that's where we're at for today, right? And I just think that we're going to. I think we're probably going to move up from here. Always could be wrong. We're kind of bowling out, right? Um, we're kind of bowling out. Even on the short term, I think this is probably a good target. This 46 area, and that's probably a good target. So, all right. Well, I hope your trading's going well, and hope you're making the most of each and every day. Right. So y'all are beautiful, and I'll see you next time. Okay.